All right, everyone, welcome back. Looking at Kaspa. So Kaspa, from the low to the high, you can see we came down, tagged our point 0.5. We wicked down to this little uptrend that we have in play here since December of last year, and we also have this downtrend in play here. So at some point, it's either going to break to the upside or break to the downside. The fact that you're over your 200-day moving average is a good sign here. You can see the MACD had a bullish cross from down below the zero. So as long as it starts to curl up, and the RSI starts to curl up at some point, it's going sideways at the moment, it'll show that we have momentum for Kaspa to actually move higher. So it's bullish right now. We're printing green on the Heikin-Ashi candles. They are getting smaller here, so we'll see if it actually tries to roll over here. But as of now, we had a bounce from the low to the high, like I said, down to the 0.5. Didn't quite get down to our 618, and we got back over the 382 at 1.7. We're currently sitting at 1.8. So it looks good. We're sitting on support. We're stuck right under the 21 and the 100-day EMA here. So we need to break over this 1.9 area. Pretty much 2 cents. Break over 2 cents, and then we'll have a shot at actually coming up here to the 236 at 2 or 0.24, and actually breaking this little downtrend here. And then we'll actually be like bullish on Kaspa here for a move higher. So there is a little bit of resistance here. We're sitting on support. We'll see if we can get over this 2 cent area, and then you can see we have our 50 right at 2.1. So a break over 2 cents, and Kaspa is going to be not just bullish, but kind of mega bullish once we break the downtrend, of course. So we'll say 2.5. We get to 2.5 pennies, then Kaspa is mega bullish for a push higher. So we will go ahead and measure this really quick here. So from where you are right now, if you can get over the 21, the 100, the 50, that's about a 19% move to get to that 2.1 area, and then ultimately the 236 at 2.4 here is about a almost 39-40% move higher on Kaspa here. But like I said, you're sitting on support. It looks good. If you pull back for any reason and we come back down here to the 0.5 at our uptrend and we lose this, it's going to get pretty bearish here. So if we drop down and we lose 1.3 on Kaspa, your last line of defense down here is at 1 penny. At all times, Kaspa needs to stay over a penny to stay alive here. If we come down about 43% from where we are right now at this 382, then you're going to come down here and test this penny area. But like I said, this is your 618 from the low to the high. So at all times, Kaspa needs to stay over a penny, or it's going to get extremely bearish here, and we'll probably end up coming all the way back down to the bottom down here to 0.04. So just kind of watch those prices there. If we actually draw a fib from the most recent high to the low here, one more thing to point out here, and we go to that last wick there, you can see your 382 retracement is where we're getting stuck right now at 1.9. So in the smaller time frame here, it's still bearish. We're bearish until you can see here, like I mentioned, the 2 cent area where we're going to flip bullish. On the high to the low here, we're stuck at the 382. Ultimately, we need to get up to the 618 at 2.5. So let's go ahead and get this one out of the way. So until we break over this 236 at 2.47, this 2.5 area, we are still considered bearish here in the short term. So from here to here, we're still bullish, but if we cannot get over this 2.4 area, then we're bearish for a move down like this, if that makes any sense. So what to take away from the update here? We're sitting on support. If we drop down, we need to hold 1.3. If we lose 1.3, that is the start of your bearishness on Kaspa. And if we come down to 1 penny and you lose a penny, I would say she's going to 0. If we hold the 1.7 area here at the 382 and we pump past the moving average, we need to get over 2 cents and then 2.5 cents. So 2.5 is our big price to break to the upside, and then Kaspa's going to start going up at that point. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on Kaspa. Hopefully that helped a little bit. And with that said, not financial advice, thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.